My journey started 3 years ago. I came by plane. I came from Iran to Turkey and from Turkey to Serbia directly. I mean, it was scary, you go to another country, you don't know the language. I mean, honestly, I didn't know the language. I learned it in Serbia. And it was actually scary, to go there and you don't know what's gonna happen next, like nobody knows. And so, I came here and I'm like, okay, like I'm gonna get to Europe, to Western Europe, and to study and like to, I don't know, for a better future, honestly. I can say that, life is so difficult, and some of us go through bad things, some of us we go through good things, but like the only thing that I can say, like people don't lose hope, like all's gonna be good, it's just a matter of time, I know it's difficult, like I'm going through bad things, people in my situations are going through bad things, but I mean, together we can manage it.